students, good morning. Today we are going to see about water cycle. What is water cycle means? The water on the earth evaporates into the atmosphere due to the heat of the sun. Okay, the water vapor in the atmosphere forms clouds. From the clouds, water falls on the earth in the form of rain or snow. By this natural process, water gets relieved. Okay, this is called water cycle. And the oceans and rivers and lakes, this water is evaporated due to the heat of the sun. Okay, then it is mixed with the clouds. Then clouds get cooled means the raindrops are formed. So water is circulated. Okay, in this act water is circulated, that is known as water cycle. In this water cycle, the three processes are there. First one is evaporation. Second one, condensation. Then third one, precipitation. Okay, this three processes involved in the water cycle. First one, evaporations. Evaporations means water from the oceans, lakes, ponds and rivers and some surface waters are evaporated. How it is evaporated? During the heat of the sun. Okay, in this sun's heat it is evaporated. That is known as evaporations. So this is the first step. Second one, condensation. Water vapor which enters into the atmosphere by evaporations moves upwards with air, gets cooled and changes into tiny water droplets that form clouds in the sky. This process is known as condensation. Then precipitations. So the water molecules are mixed with the clouds. It is very tiny particles. Okay, the millions of tiny droplets collide with one another to form larger droplets. If you see clouds, when the clouds are get cooled, that time only raindrops are formed. Then the small particles is there, in that particles are combined together, it form a raindrop. Okay, so it is minute means it is no weight, so it is not falling down, it is mixed with the clouds. Okay, when the water droplets are combined together and form as a rain. Okay, then the small water particles are combined together means it is forming a raindrop, so it is have some weight. Due to the gravity it is falling as a rain. Okay, so this is known as precipitations. So next topic, transpirations. Transpirations means it is the process of loss of water from the aerial parts of a plant. Loss of water from the aerial parts of plant. Okay, in vapor form, that is known as transpirations. There is a continuous cycling of water and exists in the three forms in nature. Already you know water is formed in the three forms, that is solid state, liquid state, gaseous state. Okay, water evaporating from lakes, rivers and oceans forms the gaseous state. That is evaporation states. In this water is gaseous state only. The rain water forms the liquid state. Rain is there, that is the liquid state. And snow and mountains and polar ice caps form the solid state. So these three forms water is present. These three states occur in nature, keep the total amount of water on the earth constant even when the whole world is using it. Okay, that is known as transpirations. Okay, thank you.